To Louis Profits, and today's video is going to be on Paribus. And if you don't know what Paribus is, it's a great crypto project built on the Cardano ecosystem. It's at an $8 million market cap and it's backed by C Fund, and Charles Hopkinson is an advisor to that fund, and their main goal is to allow NFT users as a collateral for loans and staking as well. So basically you're monetizing your NFT assets without even selling them, which is really insane. So you'll be staking it as it appreciates, or you'll be getting a loan against it as it appreciates. So that really is unique, and with this kind of market cap it has such a future. And today I'm just going to be talking about some price movements and the two blogs they've released recently, which I actually found very interesting, and I think you guys may find really interesting as well. And right now we're at a low, especially on the Bollinger Band. If you've seen it, we're right below the Bollinger Band, so we could seriously be ready for a move up. And today we've had a really good day for Paribus. We went to 1.8. So if we go on the hourly here, we can see, and we've been dumping since then. So we wicked up to 18.6, and we actually closed on the 18.1. And since then, as it's very heavy resistance, we have just gone down since then. As you can see from over here, we always reject it, come down, and then we keep doing it. This is what Paribus is known for, really. PBX is very known for hitting resistance, then going back up, going all the way back down again, going back up. So it really is a great opportunity to trade as well, guys. If you're a trader, PBX is definitely something to look into. But yeah, I'm not going to talk about the charts too much at all. I just wanted to show that what's going on. And obviously we've had these red candles since, and I'm expecting us to come back down again and then move up again, have some higher highs. So I really like what the CEO has said here. No, it's not so much about PBX at all. It's more about crypto as a whole. But it's just, you got to know your CEO for the long-term projects you hold. It's very important that you need to know. And I really like what he stands for and what he says. I'm just going to read this bit here. Cryptocurrency is largely misunderstood to those who have taken little time to research this truly revolutionary technology. Never before have we been so close to creating a truly global currency that doesn't exclude people just because they don't have access to a bank account. The ability for blockchain to serve the unbanked is astonishing, and its benefits have been proven in developing countries, giving them access to market participation for the first time ever. Additionally, many underbanked individuals, even in developed countries, can benefit too. Cryptocurrency allows participation in a system that is fair and that doesn't seek to take exorbitant fees, unlike payday loans, which can put people in a cycle of never-ending debt. So it just shows he really is for the technology of cryptocurrency, and someone like this, you want them to be behind your project as they're really pushing for the good reasons of crypto. You know, it's very important. I just wanted to briefly touch on that. So this is the really interesting thing about Paribus here. So you're thinking, oh, inflation, how do we combat this? And in comparison to the inflation caused by money printing, Paribus actually burns some of its tokens on a regular basis to cause deflation. So it's a deflationary asset, which is a very important thing to be in. All my long-term projects are deflationary assets, such as ORM, PBX, of course. It's very important to have. The only one really is crypto.com, which increases the value of each token around the end of each month. We use a special trading algorithm to work out how many tokens we should burn based on trading volumes. To date, we've burned over 100 million PBX tokens, taking them permanently out of circulation, and our next burn is set to take place in a few days. So that's today or tomorrow, really. We're coming to the end of the month right now, 29th of January. This will be out on the 30th, I believe, unless my drop servicing video comes out before this. But it's very essential to have burn cycles, because you got to think about what PBX is, right? So you can stake it, and there's a lockup period for your staking. I think it's 75 days. So if you have a 75-day lockup, that is 70 days someone cannot touch their PBX tokens. They cannot sell. So therefore, it's harder for the price to go lower, especially with the deflation as well. Tokens are being burnt, therefore it's worth more, therefore price increases. When people are staking it, less people can sell. So you see what I mean here. It's very good for the project in general, and it's something we really need to be appreciative of. And as you see here, the burn amount will come from transaction fees instead of using PBX from token allocation. So you're not affecting any holder of PBX in a negative way, in any way, shape or form. It's all from the fees, which is great. And may I say also, so the staking for PBX currently is not on the Cardano chain, it's on the ERC20. So therefore, you're going to be paying gas fees, aren't you? You're going to be paying lots of gas fees on this. So right now, a lot of people do not want to be staking. Some people are, but let's say you have 50,000 PBX coins, the minimum for the Eris pool, I believe is Eris pool. You're going to be paying a lot of fees on that. And is it going to be worth it for you to do it, or shall we just wait till around June time? I think around Q2, when they do fully transition to Cardano. Because when this happens, we're not going to be paying fees, but it's going to be minimal fees. It's going to be great. That is when the price can seriously rise. So being in right now is great, as it's deflationary. Not many people are staking due to that. So if you're in early right now, of course not financial advice, when people do start to stake, the price will be even more exponential because more people will be staking due to the fact it's now on the Cardano chain. So therefore, people won't be able to sell because of the lockup period. Deflationary every single month. It really is great. That's what I've got to say about it. It really is a great project. It's definitely something you should be looking into. So if you have enjoyed this video, and if you want me to cover anything else about Paribus, I've done a few other videos on Paribus. I really am a big, strong believer in Paribus. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and have a lovely rest of your day.